So my name is Amanda Wiggins, and I am the Curriculum and Training Manager for Wind and Tide. We're an early childhood educational community, so we offer care to children and families in the Lower Mainland. And we have a variety of programs from 2.5-hour preschool programs to 6-hour junior kindergarten programs to full day 7:30 to 8:30, 7:30 to 5:30 childcare programs. And we even have some development programs for after school, school-age children. Being a part of a fun and dynamic team, we really pride ourselves on that. Support and mentorship in the early childhood education field, for sure. And really just the chance to put the theory that your students have learned into practice in our classrooms. So depending on which practicum they're on and what the expectations are, if it's a first practicum, it would be a bit more observation and reflection based. So students would be observing our staff and seeing how they interact with the children and families. They also would be interacting with the children throughout the day and participating in and assisting in some of the activities. But if it's maybe one of the final practicums, they would be creating and implementing all their lesson plans, leading show and tell circles or literature circles and transitions and any activities that they'd like to trial in the classroom. So they really get right in there. So in the past few years, we've hired, I think, 9 or 10 graduates from Sprott Shaw. So that's amazing. And the feedback we've gotten from the teachers that are working alongside them have been great. The students are prepared and ready to get right in there. And it's just got all the documents they need. So it's a nice, easy slip in. Absolutely. Yes. Wherever possible, we like to place practicum students into our classrooms and hope for future placements in our programs. So at Wind and Tide, we feel that every child deserves rich, life-enhancing knowledge, and we really want to be walking alongside the children and guiding them and caring for them and their families. So we really look for warmth and love in our teachers and an openness to learn our curriculum and that sort of thing. Well, the field of ECE can be a little bit challenging at times, but I always find the greater the challenge, the greater the reward. There's nothing like maybe you have a difficult year and you just get to the end of that year and you see all the progress you've made, and it is so rewarding. So enter this field if you are passionate about caring for children and if you really feel a sense of purpose and joy in connecting with children and families.